We got some slime. We just made some slime, and it actually works. And we got some glitter in it. So yeah, perk.
Golden.
No, show mine flat. Look, show them.
Yeah.
Watch this, guys.
Make it super big.
Watch this.
Stop acting British. You're not British.
You're not British, honey.
What are you doing, Emmett?
I'm trying to make a bubble.
I know, it ripped.
How do you make it like that? I don't know.
So we made slime / putty.
Do it.
We
now.
made homemade slime. Dang it, it didn't work. We're trying to make
It
bubbles.
stretches really nicely.
Yeah, and if you put it right here, it'll just go down. And if you just make a huge ball, look, show them. If you just do that, it'll just flop down. Flap. Do you see it flopping down?
Yeah.
Flat. Abby.
What are you doing,
Watch
Emmett?
me stretch it.
Watch me whip.
Watch me stretch it.
You whip.
Yeah.
Watch me stretch it.
Emmett, what are you doing with yours?
Try to make a bubble.
Oh, I made a bubble, but then it popped.
Watch me. Watch me. Oh.
I have no shirt
Don't-
on because I don't want to get my shirt sticky because I already got slime on my shirt.
So you guys like slime?
Yes.
Yeah. You can't do it back on the slime.
Look, this is Dad's stomach. Did you see? Look at it. Look at
Move
it.
your slime out the way.
That's Dad's stomach. Oh, it's cold. It's cold if you put it on
You
your
need
stomach.
glue, clear glue, or a gallon of white glue, or just white glue. We got the 7-ounce white
Or a gallon.
glue.
Or
you
a
can
gallon.
also get some glitter,
Or
foam beads,
A
or
gallon.
something. And you need
of
contact solution.
or a gallon.
And you need glitter.
A gallon of clear glue too.
It's the last of it, so.
You know the contact solution makes it hard.
And then we put
Glitter.
some
Actually, it doesn't make it hard. It just makes it.
glitter in it.
It just makes it kind of hard at first, but then it just starts to soak up like slimy and not hard anymore. It just goes flat.
So everybody show me your slime. Can't see you, Abby.
Mine's flat on the table. Oh, mine's on the table. Look. Show the top on the table.
Yeah.